In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a downloadable button in the Wix editor using Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and launch the Wix editor environment for the site you want to work on. Once the editor has fully loaded, take a moment to get familiar with the workspace. You'll usually see your page layout in the center with editing tools arranged around it. The main area we'll be using in this walkthrough is the left-hand sidebar, since that's where Wix keeps the tools for adding new content and design elements to your page. When you're ready, move to the left sidebar navigation deck and click the option labeled Add Elements, which is marked with a plus symbol. This section is where you can browse through the building blocks available for your site, including text, images, decorative elements, and interactive components. Opening this panel gives you access to the button options we need for this task. From the list of available elements, choose Button. Wix may show you several styles and categories here, so look through the available button designs until you find a themed download button asset that fits the look of your page. Once you've found the one you want, click and drag it from the panel onto your layout grid. As you place it on the page, try to position it somewhere clear and easy for visitors to notice. A download button works best when it's visually accessible and placed near the content it relates to. After the button is on the page, click directly on the button element so its editing frame appears. This frame gives you quick access controls for that specific element. Among those controls, click the link icon. This is the setting that allows you to define where the button should lead or what it should connect to. If your goal is to let visitors download a file, this is the starting point for assigning that action to the button. As you work, it's a good idea to check that the button remains aligned neatly within your layout grid and matches the surrounding design. Keeping spacing and placement consistent will help the page look more polished and professional. That's the process for adding a themed download button and opening its link settings in the Wix editor on Chrome. Once you've completed these actions, you'll be ready for the next stage of configuring the button for your specific download use case.